This is a 1470 nanometers semiconductor laser varicose vein therapeutic instrument, which must be operated by a professional doctor. This is the host. This is the foot switch. And this is the power cord, universal worldwide. These are laser glasses for the operator. This is surgical optical fiber. Optical fiber is consumable and disposable. When replacing the optical fiber, be sure to operate in a standard way. Pay special attention to the following matters. The laser burning caused by non-standard operation is not within the scope of warranty. 1. The lipolytic fiber is easy to break, so don't fold it in half when laying. It is forbidden to pile up and press articles on the optical fiber. It is forbidden to step on it. It is necessary to handle it with care, and it is forbidden to pull it hard. 2. When replacing the surgical optical fiber, make sure that the surrounding environment is clean and operate in a dust-free environment as far as possible. Wash and dry your hands, and quickly replace them. In this process, there should be no dust pollution to the laser and optical fiber port. If there is dust or stain on the optical fiber port, the optical fiber head must be wiped clean with professional optical fiber wiping paper or cleaning cloth. 3. Gently unscrew the optical fiber protective cap of the optical fiber port and the Optica L fiber output port of the instrument. Insert the optical fiber into the optical fiber output port of the instrument. Be sure to tighten it, but do not use too much force. Do not touch the laser output port and optical fiber port during connection. 4. Before starting up, make sure that the optical fiber and the host are correctly connected. When the optical fiber cap on the host is not unscrewed, do not output the laser. Connect the power cord to the power socket. Connect the foot switch cord to the foot switch. The instrument can be started up without adding water and powered on. Now RT up, the instrument will automatically enter the operation page after loading. This is the emergency stop button. In case of emergency, press the emergency stop switch and the laser stops working. The laser can work normally by gently turning right and popping up the emergency stop button. The interface is very simple. There are 3 parameters in total. Click the plus and buttons to adjust the parameters. This is the power, which is the size of energy. Generally, the maximum value is used. This is the pulse width. The pulse width is the time that the laser stays on the skin. Generally, the maximum value is used. This is the frequency. The frequency is the number of lasers emitted by the laser per second. Generally, the maximum value is used. This bulb is aiming light. Energy count emitted by the laser after the power on. It will be cleared automatically after the power off. This is the total energy count sent by this instrument, which needs to be cleared manually. Click the start button, step on the foot pedal, and the laser starts to output. Release the pedal and the laser output stops. During laser output, be sure to equip laser protective glasses, and the screen interface will indicate that the laser is working. There is also an indicator light on the instrument to indicate the normal working state of the laser. About the working mode of laser, here is pulse output mode and here is continuous output mode. In pulse mode, the pulse width and frequency can be adjusted. In continuous mode, the pulse width and frequency cannot be adjusted, only the power parameters can be adjusted. The maximum power in this mode is smaller than that in pulse mode.